Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix 007 first light controller not working properly, not detected. So here's what you're gonna do. So you wanna open your Steam, go to library, find the game. You wanna right click on, go properties. Now you wanna click on controller. Here you wanna, and now in here you wanna switch this from default to enable Steam input. And you can try that and then launch the game and see if it works. Now, if that doesn't work, you can disable the Steam input and try again, or leave it on default and then see if that helps. The next thing you can try is go to your Steam, click here on the Steam, go to settings, go to controller, click on controller, and now click show advanced settings. And now here you wanna enable, depending on which kind of controller you have. If you have the Xbox controller, you wanna enable it. You wanna take this. If you have PS5 controller or 4, you wanna enable it also. And if you have some other kind of controller switch or some generic ones, you want to take this also. Also, if you have the Xbox controller, you can install the driver, which will help you connect the Xbox gamepad better to work properly with the game. Also, what you can try if that is like not helping at all, what you can do is go to search, type in settings, go to Bluetooth, and in here, you wanna click here at view more devices, and now you wanna find your controller and you wanna remove it from the list. And after you remove it from the list, you wanna press the home button and select button on your PS5 controller and hold it till it like starts blinking. You wanna go add device, go to Bluetooth, and then click DualSense controller and click done. After that is done, your controller should be working properly. And now try relaunching the game and see if it works properly. Also, what you can try if nothing else works is simply plug in your controller with the USB cable and then try playing the game. Also, you want to launch the game and then plug in the controller, and hopefully that helps your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix 007 first light controller not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.